Hey guys, listen. We're at our headquarters, HGI. If you don't know about HGI, you better ask somebody. If you want to have money for a lifetime and not a lunchtime, financial education, that's what it's all about. Keon, tell them what it's about.
Man, let me tell you something, guys. If you're open and you want to learn how you can make an extra $1,350 a month, we may have an opportunity for you. What you guys say, man?
I want to change my future, and I'm on a mission to make $1 million in the next year. I want you to join me.
What you gonna say, sweetheart?
I'm gonna tell you guys right now, you are in the best place at the right time of your life. Make that decision right away.
Mr. A, talk to us.
Listen, this is Sky Money Nature, aka August, telling you that this is Opportunity News talking to you live, and you better jump on this opportunity because it's not just news, we're coming to you live and direct.
Lady D, tell them.
Yes, this is an opportunity of a lifetime. You're gonna be great. You're gonna have great kids. You're gonna have great dreams come true. Everything can happen here for you.
Lady M.
Well, you heard them. If you have a dream, we have the vehicle.
All right. We're about to make this happen and hope that we can connect and let's make this money.
We'll see you at the top.
Yeah.
So, woo!